Good morning, fam. You made it. And not just out of bed, but into your body. Most people skip that part, but not you. If you woke up stiff, if your back feels like it's been locked in place, if your hips are still carrying yesterday's weight, this next 5 minutes is your reset. We're not just stretching, we're unlocking your foundation, your spine, hips, breath. And one of these moves will show you how much tension you've been living with without even realizing it. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose, knees wide, big toes touching, arms reaching forward. Take a deep breath. Feel your spine lengthen as your forehead grounds into the mat. Now, exhale as you ripple forward into cobra. Hips down, chest open, elbows soft. Exhale, flow back into child's pose. This gentle wave awakens your spine from base to crown. I promise this flow can reset your nervous system and melt away morning anxiety. Beginners, keep your elbows bent in cobra. Advanced stretches, push into full upward dog for more stretch. Here's a fun fact. This flow stimulates spinal fluid movement, which enhances mental clarity. Let's flow one more time. Inhale forward, exhale back. Feel your breath sync with the movement. That's your body coming back online. Now, let's melt into the shoulders. From all fours, walk your hands forward and drop your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. Let your heart melt down as your arms stretch long, palms flat or fingertips lifted. See what feels better today. You hold more emotion in your shoulders than you realize. This stretch, it starts to release that weight. I promise if you stay here and breathe into it, you'll feel your posture shift instantly. Beginners, place a block under your forehead. Advanced stretches, bring your chin to the mat for a deeper chest stretch. This opens the fascia in the upper spine, which directly impacts your neck mobility. Stay for 5 more seconds. Sink an inch deeper. Still resisting? Let go. This is the safe space your body's been craving. That just freed up your upper spine. Now let's gently lengthen the front. Slide forward onto your belly. Place your forearms under your shoulders. Lift your chest. Press gently into your forearms. Relax your glutes. Lengthen through the crown of your head. This is a soft but powerful back bend that decompresses your lower spine. I promise just 60 seconds here will ease tension you've been holding for days. Beginners, bring your elbows slightly in front of your shoulders. Advanced stretches, straighten the arms into seal position, but only if your back agrees. Did you know the Sphinx pose activates your parasympathetic system? The one that heals you? Yep. Stay 5 more seconds. Breathe into the belly. Feel tension in your lower back? Adjust your elbows forward. Tiny shifts make big changes. Now that your spine is open, let's move into the hips. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left knee. Thread your hands behind your left thigh and gently pull in. Keep your head relaxed. Flex your right foot to protect the knee. This stretch goes deep into the piriformis, which is often the hidden culprit behind your lower back tightness. I promise this small move can unlock big pain relief. Beginners, keep the foot on the ground. Advanced stretches, pull the shin towards your chest for more depth. Let's hold for 5 more seconds. Feel tightness in your glute. Breathe into it. That's where your release is. Let's even it out. Left side next. Same setup, opposite side. Left ankle over right knee. Let your hips settle. Feel the difference between sides? Sometimes the side that feels looser is actually the one compensating. That's why we always stretch both. I promise a balance here sets the tone for how your hips and knees track during the day. 5 more seconds, soften your jaw. Still clenching anyway? Notice it. Let it go. Now let's activate your core and spine to finish strong. On all fours, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Keep your hips square. Imagine a glass of water on your lower back. Can you keep it still? This isn't just a balance drill. It's core, posture, and spinal stability all in one. I promise just 30 seconds here daily can improve how you walk, stand, and even breathe. Beginners lower the legs slightly. Advanced stretches, tap the elbow to knee and re-extend. So here's a surprising fact. The bird dog activates deep core stabilizers, muscles you can train with crunches. Hold for 5 more seconds. Reach long. Wobbling a bit? That's your brain rewiring balance. Let's lock it in on the other side. Left arm or right leg back. One long line. The side might feel different. And that's good. You're noticing imbalances most people miss. I promise this is where coordination and control begins. Hold 5 more seconds. Keep the back flat. Are you still breathing? If not, come back to your breath. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.